Choosing the right software for your small business can feel overwhelming. With so many options out there, how do you know what's truly worth the investment? The secret? Start small, focus on what you need now, and build as you grow. AI is just getting started, and new tools are launching almost daily. So don't panic, you haven't missed the boat. The best time to explore and adopt AI is now, and there are plenty of opportunities to leverage its power for your business. First, pinpoint your biggest pain point. Is customer management a struggle? Are manual processes slowing you down? Identifying where your business needs the most help will save you from wasting time and money on unnecessary tools. Then, test before you commit. Free trials and demos are your best friends. Run real tasks, simulate workflows, and make sure the software actually solves your problems before investing in it. Next, keep it simple. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. Start with a solution that addresses one key challenge and look for options that scale with your business. The right software should evolve with your needs, not force you into expensive migrations later. And don't forget training and adoption. Even the best software is useless if your team doesn't know how to use it. Make onboarding a priority, ease into the transition, and support your employees to ensure they feel confident using the new system. Change can be intimidating, but when everyone understands the benefits, adoption becomes easier. Understanding cost versus ROI is crucial. Look beyond the price tag. Consider ongoing fees, upgrade costs, and how the software impacts your bottom line. Does it save time, improve efficiency, help drive revenue? A tool that increases productivity and boosts sales isn't just an expense. It's an investment in growth. Finally, prioritize strong support. Things will go wrong. Make sure the platform offers reliable customer service, helpful resources, and an active user community to keep operations running smoothly. The right software can transform your business, but only if you choose wisely. Start small, test before you commit, and invest in solutions that truly drive growth. Click the link to find the perfect tools for your business today.